Let's discuss IELTS speaking part 1. In this part, I'll ask you a few introductory questions that are usually asked from every candidate, and you have to answer them. If you use compound sentences or complex sentences in this part, then you'll be able to get good bands. So let's begin. What's your full name?
My full name is Sabagul.
How may I address you?
You may address me as Saba.
Hey Sabah. Where do you come from?
I come from Multan. It's a big city in southern Punjab.
Okay, let's talk about work or studies. General training students are likely to be asked questions related to your job experiences, and if you are a student, you are going for academic IELTS, you will be asked about your studies. So, what do you do?
I'm a student. I'm the student of BS English.
Okay, why did you choose that subject?
I choose that subject because I want to do CSS and
Okay, that's a good reason you want to do CSS or any competitive exam, but if you don't think at that time what you have to answer, you can say I like it. So there is no reason of likeness, so you can say I like English, that's why I choose that subject. Okay, do you like your subject?
yes, I like my subject because in English it's literature and I like literature.
Let's move on to the next topic, and that is hometown. What's the name of your hometown?
The name of my hometown is Multan and it's a big city.
Please describe your hometown a little.
My hometown is a big city and it's a very beautiful city and there are many opportunities in our city. There are many educational institute and many job opportunities.
How long have you been living there?
I have been living there since my birth.
Do you like your hometown?
Yes, I like my hometown and I want to live there my whole life.
What you like the most about your hometown?
I like the most in my hometown is Al Kaf restaurant because its food is very delicious and I love to go there.
Okay. Do you like fast food?
Yes, I love pizza and burger.
Very good. That's called paraphrasing. I asked, do you like fast food? You could have said that I like fast food, but you said, I love to eat pizza and burger. So, this is a very good way of answering. Let's talk about health. How do you keep healthy?
I regularly do exercise and I eat healthy food, and most of the time I skip to eat junk food.
Okay. What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is badminton, and I usually play badminton with my friends.
You are good at badminton?
Yes, a bit. I'm practicing it.
Okay. Are there health classes in your school or college?
Unfortunately, no, there are no health classes because they focus most on our studies.
But do you think, in your opinion, there should be health classes or not?
Yes, I think there should be health classes
Why?
so that students can learn how to keep themselves healthy.
Okay. Let's talk about language. What language can you speak?
I can speak four languages: Urdu, English, Pashto, and Sraiki.
You must keep in mind the tense of the question. If he asks you what languages can you speak, you have to identify the tense, that this is a present tense, and you have to answer it in present tense. And if you use past and the question is in present, you won't get any bans. Okay, you must keep in mind. For example, if I ask you, where do you come from, and you answer I came from Multan, so your answer will be considered wrong. Okay, what languages would you like to learn in the future?
I would like to learn French in the future because it is very interesting language.
Let's talk about dream. What was your childhood dream?
My childhood dream was to become a doctor because their duty is to serve humans.
Are you the kind of person who sticks to dreams?
Yes, I stick to my dreams, but I think I don't complete my all the dreams.
Okay, this is life. sometimes wishes didn't come true. And if you don't achieve your dream, what you do? If you have an ambition and you struggle for it and you don't achieve it, what do you do then?
I would leave my dead dreams
You
if I
lose,
don't achieve it.
you move on to the next dream. Okay, let's talk about home accommodation. Do you live in a house or a flat?
I live in a house. It is a two-story brick house.
Please describe it a little.
My house is a two-story brick house, and there are four bedrooms with attached bathrooms and a kitchen, a living room, and a drawing room.
Okay. What's your favorite room in your home?
My favorite room is my own room because I have decorated it according to my taste.
Okay. What have you done to your room to make it look nice?
I have decorated it with flowers because I love flowers, and the paint of my walls are in light pink color because it's my favorite color, and there are floral curtains.
Okay. Who do you live with?
I live with my parents and brothers.
How long have you lived there?
I've lived there since birth.
Okay. Do you plan to live there a long time?
Yes, I want to live there my whole life.
This is the end of part one. Next topics will be discussed in the upcoming interviews. Thank you.